back from part number 1, and this is part number 2. In the last episode, me and Yellowbird traveled to this place. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and leave a like. Bye! Why? Oh, that was fun. Yeah, it was. I'm going to go take another shot. Woohoo! Let's go back in the car and go home. Okay. I just want to get some of my energy out. Okay, whatever that means. By the way, what? Let's blast off. Let's blast off in our rocket boosters. That's what I want to do to show you. Okay. Stop saying okay. Okay, fine. Well, I need to get buckled up. There, that's good. 2 hours later. Are we there yet? No, it took 2 hours to get there. Now it takes 2 hours to come back. Like a couple of minutes. I'm hungry. I need to go to the bathroom. You have to start this with this again. Come on, cut it out, please. Please, just. Are you hungry? Yes, I want chicken fingers. Do you want McDonald's? Yes. If you say so, I will get you McDonald's. No one has come by here. I know. Even though we're pigs, I hope the Angry Birds still like us. They probably do. Oh, wait. Wait. I hear something. Oh, that was a long drive. I'm thirsty. Okay, we'll get you stinking milkshake. Can I just use the bathroom first? I'll order. What do you want? I just want that. Okay. Hello, sir. What would you like today? Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets, okay. With a hamburger. Ketchup. And french fries. Oh, and one more. Ah! And a milkshake. Okay. I'll be cooking. Jeez! Why'd you have to push me off? Hey, I want to get my order done fast. I'm Yellowbird. Speedy, look at Whoa. Okay, maybe I might have knocked. Wait, what's that? Oh, nothing. Just... Okay. Here you go. Yummy. This is good. Yay, thanks. So let's go back in the car. See ya. Oink, oink. By the way. Oink! Let's go back. Ooh, what's this? Could we sit in here? We probably could. Go. Ouch. No, let's just go in the car. Alright, guys, we'll see you then. Finally back home. Been so long. Hey, Yellowbird. Yeah? Sorry we had a fight. It's alright. I'm sorry about that. Oh, one more thing. Do you think I should go there with you? Sure. Redbird, do you want to come? Sure. Whitebird and Bluebird, could you guard the house? Anything wobbled. Yeah, it's all fine. Then, okay, then let's go back inside and see what they are up to. Ah, Blackbird, come on. I'm kind of scared. I wonder if he's going to yell at me again. He won't yell at you. Hey, I thought we kicked you out. Well, we want him back. Yeah, and I'm the one who bought it, so can I have it back? Why the money? I just want it back. How about some eggs? That won't count on it. Then I have nothing for you. I want my money back. Remember me, Blackbird? I want my money back. Sorry, dude. You can't have it back. Ow, please, no. Don't. Please don't attack me. And how did he do that without the pain? I can just survive through that, Green Bird. Okay. So, can I have it back? No! Attack him! Throw Green Bird out. Oh! The change. It's in my pocket. Oh, that's my alarm. Oh, let's go outside again. Anyway, let's go. We're back and we got the $100 bill. We get to keep the skateboard too. Yeah, I would like to have that too. $100 bill and a skateboard. I'm gonna go right on it. Ouch. Blackbird, come on. We need to go back. Bluebird? Yellowbird? Whitebird? Yeah? Wee! Wee! Wow! We're back in the meeting circle, all together. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, because it's the end. And I will see you next time. Goodbye! They think that they can really do that. Okay. They think that. We will destroy them. We will capture them. And we'll capture the birds, too!